Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to look at another dim sum classic. This is Chinese eggplant, and this is a really simple dish, so join with me and I'll teach you how to make this dish. Now for this recipe you need about 4 Japanese eggplants, the freshest you can find on the market. Now you also need about 6 ounces of shrimp, and you also, with the shrimp, you need about 3 ounces of minced pork. Now if you haven't did so, let's go ahead and devein the shrimp. Now after mincing up the shrimp, let's do the same exact thing to the minced pork. Now even though the minced pork is minced from the supermarket, mincing up a second time gives it the same nice texture feeling as the shrimp. So let's go ahead and let's mince up the pork. So after mincing it up for the second time, you can notice how much different the feel and texture of the pork is. And this is one of the key success to making really great dumplings and filling. So let's go ahead and let's add it to our shrimp. And let's go clean up the board and let's start adding our fillings. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, a couple of dashes of white pepper powder, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 egg white, about a teaspoon of cornstarch. Now for this recipe you also need about 2 scallions. Now for the filling we're going to just add about half of that. So. And I'm going to save the rest for garnish. Now grab your trusty chopsticks and give it a good stir. Now after mixing everything up, let's cover this up and let's put this in the fridge and let's look at our eggplants. So when it comes to cutting up the eggplants, you want them to cut them about 1.5 inches. And that's, for reference, for me, it's about the second interphalangeal joint, so about this thickness long. And repeat the process for the rest. So with our 1.5 inch size thick eggplants, what we're going to do is do a diagonal slit, even steeper than this slope here, to give it more room for to add the filling. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. You see, this cut a little bit more steeper, and this gives a little bit more room to add more filling. Alright, we're going to repeat the process for the rest of the eggplants. So the next step is basically filling your eggplants with your filling. So grab as much filling as you can and stuff it inside of your eggplants. This is approximately maybe around half a teaspoon to a tablespoon, and this all depends on the size of your eggplant. Be careful not to break the hinge of the eggplant, or else you're going to have a lot of trouble deep frying it for the next step. And this is basically what we're looking for. Now repeat the process until you completely finish. With all our stuffed eggplant stuff, let's bring this to the stove and let's start cooking these stuffed eggplants. Alright, let's talk about the sauce. The first thing you need is about 1 cup of chicken stock. Add 1 teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, a couple dashes of white pepper powder, and you will also need about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to steam it for another 8 to 10 minutes because the eggplants are still a bit raw. Now that's all I have for today, and I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Now if you found this video informative and interesting, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. If you have any thoughts, comments, suggestions, leave in the section below. Until next time, happy cooking, and see you next time.